Oh, the inverter. Gotta figure out how to mount it in here. I'll have to take this plate off or either put new outlets on the box and hook them up to these. I'll have to give her. I took this panel off to see if I could mount it somehow with these 4 screws there, to see if I could mount it on the outside of the box. The wires are all soldered, so I don't want to disturb it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a jumper between these outlets and one on the outside the box. I don't need 3. This is just for emergency. And all I'll ever use probably is just 1. So I'll see how that works out. I'll put an outlet on this side and then just have a short jumper between these to that outer one. There's enough room in between there. I can move that back how much room I need. Can make an outlet right here. Make the outlet right there. And I can slide this back and forth. They have room over here. I only need 1 fan. There's 1 fan there. I'll put another one right there. Those are the 2 fans I got. I only need 1. I have to go and get an outlet. Get this figured out. It'd be quite simple, really. Looks complicated, but won't be that bad. Decided no outlet outside of the box needed. Making it as simple as I can. The box is more or less to protect this whole outfit anyhow. Got an extension cord with 3 adapters on it. I'll only use 1 at a time probably. And yeah, plugged it in and I'll just leave it under there. Nothing will be exposed outside. Got the fan mounted in. Well, now I'm all set for the battery. This is the fan wire. I'll have to hook that up for exhaust. This is the remote control. Hooked up to the inverter. My 110 coming out of the inverter. And the positive and negative. All I have to do is hook up the battery and check it out, see how it works. Quite simple, not complicated, kind of a fun project. The battery's 12.78 volts right now. I have a solar panel for trickle charging coming Monday. I'll be hooking that up. Probably get the battery charger and give it a little boost before I do that. The battery's setting in place. That battery weighs 60 pounds plus. I might have to get a little cart to move this around. Of course, I won't be moving it much, it's just for emergency power. And the solar panel I got coming will keep it charged, to trickle charge. And it's automatic. It'll quit charging. It won't overcharge. It's a controlled panel. So I'll get the wires hooked up and see what happens. The control. .1 volts, 123 DC voltage, 13.1, 122 AC, 63 hertz. I'll give her a test, see if it runs this grinder. We'll try her. Plug it in. Okay, yes. Gonna throw the switch. Work. Light work. Grinder hooked up. Yeah. Got my emergency power now. Turn the switch off. And the only thing left to do is hook up the trickle charge solar panel. And I'm all set. Simple as that. Got the parts on Amazon. Let's see, I'll have to look at the price and let you know what the prices are. Under $500 for a 2,000 watt portable. Can't go wrong with that. Real simple to do too. Nothing to it. I won't have to be moving it around too much. Probably about 75 pounds, 70 pounds. But that's it. Fun build. Catch you on the next one.